#CIJAM. The free walking tour leaves from the square twice a day and once in the evening. They stand with red and white umbrellas. The canal tour is great, about half an hour. The horse and carriage tour is also very good. But if you want to climb to the very top of the tower, after all those steps, you will find an incredible piece of machinery called a carillon. Whatever you do in Bruges, from canal to chocolate, or in fact sampling the local beer, you're bound to have a great time. It's easy to get into by train, and there is an absolutely spectacular picture in one of the churches, but it's not that one, it's another one. And we'll show you where it is, and lots of other Bruges secrets in the longer Doris Visits film of Bruges. Oh, the Friets Museum. Shoes, walking. You are going to find loads to do in this small town that will keep you busy, and it's so easy to get in there by train. Thanks for watching the Doris Visits Port videos. It means so much to us. Please hit the subscribe button and share with your friends. And if you have time, I'd love you to read Cruise Ship Heist, the first of our cruise thrillers.